Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, August the 15th, 2025. Just as we expected, the KSE-100 index is consolidating as it faces headwinds and selling pressure every time it makes a run for the psychological barrier of 148,000. What we are witnessing now is an index moving to make a higher low within the primary uptrend, a secondary downtrend within the primary uptrend. Let's take a look at the chart. So this is where we are. This is today's candle. A 37.67% loss, more or less the same place where the market opened. That's why we see a doji of sorts. So market is indecisive. But first, let's look at the positives. The price is holding firmly above all three major exponential moving averages. Look at the ADX, 56, very strong trend. MACD is still positive, although still beginning to cross over, but the structure is still positive. The market is still making higher highs and higher lows. But where it does come into question is that there's a very small red candle, a doji for the day, shows indecisiveness at this peak level. Market is facing selling pressure every time it tries to make a go for the 148,000 psychological level. Also, momentum, while still positive, is fading. Volume is lower. All these things go to show that while the primary trend is still firmly intact, with strong ADX and price above all EMAs. However, the momentum is stretched and slightly softer volume raises the risk of short-term consolidation, as we've been warning about all week, or a dip at least to one of the moving averages, unless buyers reclaim and hold above today's close, which was just around 47,500. We need stronger participation for that. Right now, the market, though firmly bullish, does not have the volume and momentum to push it above the 148,000 level. Let's see how the next week starts in terms of volume and momentum. Stay tuned.